Hi everybody, welcome to Kingston Library's virtual steampunk session. My name is Leanne and today we're going to make witch's brew. So to do so, you need some vinegar, some dishwashing detergent or dish soap, dish liquid, some bicarb soda or baking soda. This is about $1.50 in the supermarket. Also some food colouring. I picked this up in the cake decorating section of Woolworths. Some glass jars or glasses from the kitchen. Some spoons. Some bowls or trays to do our experiment in, so it doesn't go everywhere. And if you have, which is optional, some glitter. So first you take your glass jar or glass and pour in, I don't know, about halfway, maybe about a third in your glass jar, and place it in your bowl or your tray. Then I'm going to put in some food dye, just a drop or two. 1, 2. You see it there? There it is. Then I'm going to put in a drop of, a drop of dishwashing soap. Let's put some glitter in. Oh, wow. See that? Very pretty. Next, take a spoon. Stir it. Then get a heaped teaspoon or tablespoon of bicarb soda. Here we go. Oh wow. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Certainly a wizard's brew, isn't it? And you can see all the speckles of glitter. It's really pretty. Now I'm going to add another colour. So I'm going to take a bigger spoon and put a little bit of vinegar in that. And different colour. Just do 1 drop in that. And then pour it into the centre. I'm going to add a little bit more bicarb or baking soda. And give it a stir. And then it foams. All right, might try one more. So fill up your jar with vinegar. Place your food dye in. Might do 2 colours straight away now. Might mix red and yellow together. Bit of sunshine. Lovely. Little bit of dish soap. Mix it around. And now our heaped tablespoon of bicarb. Here we go. Wow. That's awesome. Look at the reaction when you mix it. So the baking soda and the bicarb and the vinegar react to neutralize each other. Vinegar is an acid and baking soda is an alkali, releasing the carbon dioxide, which is the bubbles of gas that you see. When you add a little dish soap, the foam becomes a thick, kind of like lava. It's a pretty cool experiment. I hope you have fun experimenting it in your kitchen. Bye for now.